In this video, we'll demonstrate how to generate sales leads by advertising products or services using classified listing. First, log in to your seller account and click Create Listing. Choose the category for your product. And then, select Classified as the listing type. Optionally, you can select a specific region, so that your listing appears only when users filter for that region. Click Next to continue. Now, enter the details of your item here, including the title and description. Be as detailed as possible to attract the right buyers. You can apply the above styles to enhance its appearance. Next, set the item's price if necessary. Upload item images and a YouTube video to increase sales by showcasing product visuals and demos. You can also add important documents for buyers to read or download. If you want your listing to stand out among others, select these decoration options. And finally, choose how long your ad will run. Make sure to select a duration that maximizes visibility. Once all required information is filled in, click the Create Listing button. You'll see a success message and your listing advertisement will be active on the details page. Users also has the option to send private messages and public questions. The public questions and the answers posted by the seller can be viewed below. This is how you can create a classified listing and increase your sales. Thank you for watching.